Okay guys, this Mitsubishi elevator's throwing an EF error code. Check this out, the number 22 indicator light's dead. But wait, what does number 22 even mean? Hold up, it's not just this light. All these lights are out too. First cut off all power. Cut both 380V and 220V supplies. Let's check the fuses with our multimeter. Testing between these points. First fuse, no beep. Second fuse, still silent. Is my meter broken? Nah. Third fuse beeps fine. Fourth's good too. All others check out. Only these two bad boys. Grab a Phillips head. Loosen these screws. Pull out the fuse. Look at this. This first fuse's filament is all saggy. Second one, totally vaporized. Swap in new fuses. Lights are back. Elevator shows E0 blinking. Means it's doing auto learning. Restore all switches. Let it run through cycles. Looks stable now. But why did they blow? These protect the safety circuit. But my tests show no shorts or grounds. Checking top and pit for water damage. Exposed wires. Holy, look at this cable. Snapped strand causing grounding. This one's gonna need more time than we've got today. Today's fixed fuse issue. Tomorrow's problem, that gnarly cable. If anything's unclear, just holler.